Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and the good news is that levels have not changed at all. Things are still same for us on the chart of gold. If you have watched my yesterday's video, then hopefully you made good profit because we were expecting the market to bounce from the support level of 1841 to 1840, and the support of 1841 to 1840 is still valid, and the strongest support zone in case of a heavy sell during the European session or US session, okay, we can expect the market to take support around 1832, 1830, around that level, because 1830, 1832, 1833, this is the strongest support zone in the market. I do not want to go in detail. I do not want to bore you by repeating the same stuff. So overall, the levels are still the same. Right now, as you can see, the market is standing at 1854. Okay, and right now market is trying to go up. If you have a buy position right now, be on the trade. Market looks good. Okay, at least you can expect 20 to 30 pips more from the trade. And the 1866 to 1870, the green level, here is still the resistance. Though market looks like in uptrend, though we can see that market is constantly breaking the previous highs and going up, but if the same volatility continues in the market, then we can expect the market to reverse from the resistance zone here. But moreover, again, I would like to add that market is constantly forming higher highs. So when market will be hitting the resistance level of 1866 to 1870, observe the market first. If you see market reversing from the resistance zone, then only take a sell position. Be a trader, not a gambler. Protect your hard-earned money. Observation is extremely important. Confirmation is extremely important. So once you get the confirmation that yes, sellers are present at the resistance, market is struggling at the resistance, then only take a sell position. In case if we see heavy buying during the US session, or if we see the market is extremely bullish, if you see market forming a green candle at 1870, okay, do you think that it is a good decision to take a sell position? Obviously, no. You must understand the body language of the market as well. Try to understand the market emotion as well, and then take a decision. Okay. So 1866 to 1870 is a resistance. If market reverses, take a sell position. If market breaks it, you can avoid also, because today is Friday. If you're on a party mode, you can take risk. And the support level of 1840 to 41 is still valid. In case market starts coming down, you can expect the market to bounce from here. If market bounces from this particular support here, definitely you can buy. In case there is a sharp fall in the market, heavy selling comes during the evening time, you can expect the market to take support around 1830 to 1832, because this is the strongest support in the market. If you want to know in detail about the levels here, why they are important, why how we have derived these levels, then please watch the video that I have uploaded yesterday, because I do not want to bore you, man. Okay. And if you go to forexfactory.com, then we can see that there are a few news coming up, so please be careful, and whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. Protection of capital is extremely important, and this should be your first priority always. My analysis can be wrong as well, so please calculate the risk accordingly. Okay, bye bye, take care.